Welcome to Cooking Americana, great meals on a budget. Today's meal, sausage stew. This is what you'll need, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. Total for 6 to 8, $16. Go ahead and cut up your onions and your baby potatoes. Now some of these you'll cut in half, some of them you'll cut into quarters, but make them about the same size. That way they cook evenly, and you're not waiting for the big ones to get done. Now, I had a sale on these colored peppers, so I grabbed them, but green peppers will work just fine. We're going to cut these into chunks. About this size. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is your chance to tell me exactly what you want to see and whether or not I'm doing a good job. So we cut the sausages into pieces between half inch to an inch big. The mushrooms I cut in half because they were pretty good size. And then I tossed some garlic cloves in there as well. Now this is the Italian seasoning I make. I will put a little link up there in the upper right hand corner for that. Go ahead and add some olive oil and that Italian seasoning to the bowl. And just toss to coat all those potatoes and sausage and vegetables and all that stuff. It's a really pretty colorful little dish here. One of my husband's favorites. So we're pouring it into the pan here. I'm using one of those throwaway aluminum pans. Easy cleanup. Go ahead and add a little bit more olive oil if you'd like. You don't have to, but I like the little sauce at the bottom. And then we're going to cut up some butter and put that on top. Just kind of pat it all over the top. You kind of want to spread it out. Just lay it on top there. Cover it with foil. Nice and tight. And then we're going to bake it for about an hour. Or until the potatoes are nice and fork tender like that. And there it is. This simple, this easy, and this good. I'd like to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen for this wonderful sausage stew. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. I could sure use the help. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.